Aeroclassics has delivered a couple of beauties, and we'll be diving into them today and in a few days from now. Today's aircraft is the 1/400 scale Aeroclassics Delta Airlines Boeing 737-232 Advanced in the classic widget livery from the 1970s. Gemini Jets produced this aircraft in 2023. The aircraft was powered by two Pratt & Whitney JT8T low bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 16,400 pounds force or 73 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 124 passengers, depending on class arrangement and layout. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 473 knots or 876 kilometers an hour, with a range of just over 2,600 nautical miles or around 4,800 kilometers. Originally, this 737-232 Advanced was delivered to Delta Airlines on October 14, 1983, with a registration of November 301DL, a registration that it would carry for the entirety of its 23-year-long paying career. Initially, the aircraft wore the classic Delta Airlines widget that all their aircraft carried a variation of since the 1970s. From 1996 to 2003, this particular airplane, along with many remaining 737-200s in Delta service, were switched from the mainline service to the Delta Express service. All these aircraft were then switched back to the mainline airline when Delta started the short-lived Song airline. During this aircraft's time with Delta Express, the overall livery was changed from the widget to the Ron Allen livery around 1997. This aircraft would continue to wear these colors even after the aforementioned switch back to the mainline service. Sometime in either late 2003 or early 2004, the aircraft was then switched to the Colors in Motion livery, which it would wear for the rest of its paying career. The aircraft would spend a few short periods in storage in the early 2000s due to financial concerns and other real-world events. The aircraft would eventually be retired to the Southern California Logistics Airport near Victorville, California in 2006 for eventual scrapping in 2008. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you don't want to miss one of these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos on our channel, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you, and good day.